So what you need for this project is a pencil or something to write with, a ruler to draw a straight line, a box cutter to cut cardboard, scissors, a hot glue gun and glue sticks, a mirror, a shiny paper or an actual mirror, and then cardboard. Okay, so this project is cut into two segments. This is the smaller segment, so you're going to cut out a 2-inch by a 2-inch square, and you need to cut 4 of those out. So you just want to cut them out of the cardboard of your choice with the box cutter. You could use scissors, but box cutters are going to work better. So now we're going to cut out the 2-inch by 6-inch rectangle for the smaller segment, and you're going to need 4 of these too, so just cut it out of the cardboard. Okay, so you're going to want to make sure you have 4 so we can create the tube for both of them, and then at the bottom we're going to need for that. So now we're just going to finish cutting out the rest of these until we have 4 small rectangles. So now we're going to cut out the bigger segment, so you need a 2.5-inch by 2.5-inch square, and then the large rectangle, which is a 2.5-inch by 6-inch. Just cut that out with the cardboard cutter, and you need 4 of those. Now you have 4 of everything, 4 of the large rectangles, 4 of the small rectangles, and then 4 of the small and big boxes. Okay, so now you're just going to use the hot glue gun to glue the smaller segments together first, and you just want to put this together, and yeah, so I'm going to speed it up until we're finished. Here it is all finished, and yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. So now you're just going to repeat the same steps to gluing the larger segment together, and yeah, so I'll speed it up from here. Okay, so now it is all finished. This is the second one, and now you should have 2. They should be quite similar in size. Okay, so now you're going to be using the mirror. You can also use this paper, reflective paper that we use, and you just want to cut that into 2 squares that are going to fit the sizes of them. They're going to be very similar, but you just want to make sure they're going to fit the size, so you can use a piece of cardboard to kind of check as you go to make sure it'll fit. And we did have to clean this paper off a little bit because it was kind of scratched and gross, but yeah, so you just want to cut those to shape. We're going to create our 90 degree angles with the cardboard. So you just want to hot glue them into place, and then take the mirror and add some hot glue, and then glue it into place so that it's at a rough 45-degree angle, and you just want to do that for this one, and then you also want to complete that for the larger one. And that's all you need to do for this. As you can see, our mirror stuff was quite scratched. So now we're going to add basically the sides of the cube with the open two sides. So you just want to take some hot glue and then glue them onto each side using the right shape and adjusting it however you would like. Okay, now once you have the cubes finished, you're going to attach the small cube with the mirror to the small side. They're practically the same size as those, so just want to use hot glue to attach that so there's an opening so that the mirror is facing towards the opening at a 45-degree angle. You want to do it with this small one, so this one is going to be the top. Now you're just going to repeat that with the bigger portion. And here is the finished small one, so you just want to hot glue the other one straight onto there with the mirror facing up. Now we're just going to attach the two portions together, making sure that one is facing the opening with the mirror is facing one way, and the other one, the smaller one at the top, is facing the opposite direction, so that you can actually see through and the mirrors work together so that you can use your periscope. Here it is all finished, and this does look kind of messy, but that's because we didn't really do anything too crazy, but as you can see, it does work. This is a really fun craft, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!